and welcome back to another episode of I Can Grow. In this episode, I'm finally getting around to digging out the tomato bed. But before we get into that, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to never miss any future updates on the garden. And we're going to start off by digging out two very big root sections. Get it nice and loose, cut off a few of the roots, and then by the powers of physics, well, that didn't work. The struggle is real. Alright, anyway, almost done. There we go. Final twist and push. Alright, perfect. That's the first one. So let's prepare the next root sections to be cut out the next day. So we're digging out all the sides again. And once we're done with that, we're gonna head over to the next day. On day 11, I finally got to it and finished it. Dug out the second root section, which was way bigger.
This is very good soil. This is one of the reasons.
Yeah, I don't know, sometimes I just repeat myself.
I'm still tilling it, giving it some more nutrients.
Let's rake back every piece of dirt, even it out a little bit. Put back both of the roots because I didn't want to let them just die because they can still grow just somewhere else. I just needed to place them a little bit further back so I had more space for the tomatoes. And yeah, I did, as you can see here, I'm cleaning up my compost bin, and unfortunately my camera had a heat stroke and did not capture the footage of me putting everything below the tomato bed. I put the tomatoes in. Again, my camera did not capture all that footage. That's how it's looking right now.
Tomatoes water. And watermelons and maracuja. And the mound. And pretty much everything except that over there. Yeah. It's time to chill.
And that's it for this week's episode of I Can Grow. So if I can grow, what's stopping you?